uStein uvumile ukuthi uKelly Khumalo nomsolwa uFiso Kuhle Ntuli bafonelana ngosuku okwabulawa ngalo uMeyiwa, kodwa-ke wayesebenzisa idatha.
There was a Britskop, 3G Britskop, and it's BlackBerry Net.
Meaning?
BlackBerry Net she was using data. She wasn't using normal cell phone call.
Ngokusho kwakhe, izingcingo ezisuke zenziwe ngedatha imvamisa aziveli kuma records ezingcingo eingenile, kodwa zivela kuphela kuma cellphone downloads, nokuyinto esuke yenziwa amaphoyisa uma enza uphenyo.
So the number is 2782704438 yathola i-call ngesikhathi sika 17:33:57.
Then we can also see that there was data usage.
Yabonakala futhi nedata yasetshenziswa.
uStein uthi inombolo kaFiso Kuhle Ntuli yayikhona kumakhalekhukhwini kaKhumalo. Uthi kodwa ezinye izinto zasulwa kule cellphone entathakusa yangosuku okwabulawa ngalo uMeyiwa.
Kelly rebooted the handset during the early morning hours after the incident on 2014-10-27.
Icala lizobuyela enkantolo kusasa.